And iOS 18 is all about customization, and Apple is letting you express yourself even further by letting you customize how your apps look. To do this, long press the home screen, then you'll see a button in the top left corner called Edit. Tap this, and then tap on Customize. This gives you new options to now set your apps into dark mode, which will automatically give you a dark mode version for all of your app icons, and it will even dim your wallpaper. You can set this to be the default, or you can set this to be automatic, so your apps are in light mode during the day or dark mode at night. You can also take this even further by selecting tint. This lets you select any color for your apps, and it changes all of those apps to that specific color. You also have two sliders to change the color and change the saturation of this color. And you can also select this eyedropper tool and select an exact color on your iPhone's wallpaper, so you can even match these apps exactly to the background or an accent color. I really hope this video helped you out. I hope you found some cool features that you want to share with your friends and family. Please like this video, and hey, make sure you're subscribed for that. And hey, thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.